Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenos noches, buenos días. Today we are jumping straight into the video with my little sister and her little skunk patches in her head. I don't know. I think that's the fashion right now. But anyways, today's hair is by Nadula. It's a water wave wig. So right now you see me flipping the wig on, doing the usual, adjusting the wig flaps, so cutting the ear tabs off so that it fits precisely to her head, ear to ear. Also, if I sound a little bit run down, don't mind me. I'm really ill right now, so we move. After I've done that, I go in with the Lace Tint by the Hair World in the shade Medium. I actually kind of did that off camera. And then once I've done that, I go in with the BetterTheMelt glue or BetterMelt glue. I always say it wrong, Shantell. It's not hard. But I've gone for the white one. I find that this one just works so much easier for me. I like to see the color change in the sense that it goes from white and dries clear. And that gives me a better indication as to when to stick it down. I followed you guys. I listened. I used the blow dryer. It just was not for me. So I like this because it resembles the got-to-be glue, which is what I'm used to more. And my usual method is, targeting the section, whether that be the middle or the side. But I always start in the middle, doing the layer or two, flipping the lace back down, and then smoothing or combing the hair into the lace that I have just applied the glue on. I then proceed to do this on each side, and yeah, that's about it. I mean, I have very detailed installs, so if you really wanted a step-by-step detailed one, there's definitely more on my channel. I'll even link some down below. But yeah, that's about it. Cut the lace off, add some foundation if it's looking busted, add some got-to-be spray if it's looking busted, and yeah, that's about it. I will quickly just go over the hair. It was a very good quality. I will leave all the links and details down below, but my sister loves this wig. She doesn't take it off. So it came pre-plucked. I actually did not even have to pluck it like that. I didn't even need to bleach it because it came pre-bleached, which was actually really convenient. Really good if you're just trying to save time and money. And yeah, the hair is full. It's not too much, especially with curly hair. You don't want your head so heavy that your head feels like it's about to drop off your neck. This one, the density was just perfect, and the lace was thin enough. So yeah, I feel like I didn't do the best job melting this hair in this video, but as you can see from that close-up, the hair is pretty thin. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on, let you guys kick back and watch as normal or as usual. Bruh, being off YouTube this long, now I can't speak English. Just drop down your comments or questions down below. Anyways, love you guys. Let me let y'all watch, and you know where I'm at if you want to find me. Sometimes your wig just ain't wigging, so you know what you have to do? You have to go in with some got-to-be spray and spray that bad boy down. I don't know what it is about that method that it's like the problems you are having, they evaporate, gone. They're eliminated right there and then. After I've done that, I just pretty much start styling the hair. So because it's water wave hair, all you need is conditioner and water. Even water will do the job. Maybe some foam mousse or gel to lock in those waves and curls. But yeah, that's about it. And then soon you'll see the finished look. If you ever find that you have any white residue or, the hair's not looking seamless, just go in with a bit of rubbing alcohol. That will clear any of that excess product away and really help that wig to look blended. And now you just see me going and doing some baby hairs. My sister actually wanted the dramatic ones. I am not good at doing those, so I really tried, but I failed at the same time. But she was still happy in the end. And yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. So if you made it this far, you're a real one. Gracias, amigas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.